In this video, I will show you how to configure auditing in SQL Server database. Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to configure auditing in SQL Server database. So let's start. It's a very simple process. So these are the steps we need to be execute on the SQL Server database. First, we have to create the server audit. Okay, just execute this command in master database. Execute. The server audit has been created on SQL audit folder. So you have to create this folder on this drive. Okay, after that, we have to enable this server audit. Okay, just execute. The server audit has been enabled. Then we have to create the database audit specification on our particular database. Let's suppose if I want to configure the auditing on inventory database or your whatever database you want in your environment, just select the database and execute this command. Now audit specification has been created, and I also mentioned for server audit over there, which I have already created. Now next step, I have to define the auditing, what type of auditing I need to be enabled for that audit specification. Okay, that executed. There I want to execute that's like add schema, create, alter, drop table, procedures and view. If user perform delete on a table on inventory database. Okay, so it will also record in our audit log. Okay, so just execute this audit specification. Also define about the what type of the auditing we want to enable in your database. So you need to be define the very careful what type of auditing you want to enable in your database. After that, we need to enable this audit specification. Just control C and then copy this audit. Uh, after this audit specification has been enabled. Okay, now audit has been enabled in your database inventory. Let's monitor. Before this, we want to check the audit log. Just select static from this. Okay, check this is the location where I have enabled my audit logs. Let's execute. These are the audit log has been generated in this log files. Okay, also the session ID also mentioned here. Let's create some table. Okay, just like create this table, create table audit test table. Okay, open new query window and just create this table. Table has been created. Let's see our order logs. Let's move up this. You can see CR. Okay, this create table audit has been triggered in this order log. You can see the object this table I have created, so it's also record in our order log. Let me delete some data as well. Let me insert record in this. If you want to insert, just insert the record in this table. Okay, let's check. Okay, audit ID is insert, means there's some insert also perform. So it will also show you the command which I have executed. Okay, this is the insert command. Okay, let me perform some delete operation on it. Okay, one row has been deleted. Okay, I want to filter out this. I don't want to see all records, so we can also filter out this. And okay, just select. Okay, it will show only delete command. Okay, so we can filter out also if I want to check only insert. Okay, so it will show only insert commands. Okay, so we can also filter out. So in this video we have successfully enabled auditing in our database. On after that I also checked the audit log as well. So thanks for watching the session.